Welcome, fabric fanatics and needle ninjas. If you've ever found yourself tangled in thread or wrestling with a machine that sounds more like a blender than a sewing buddy, you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of sewing machines to help you find the perfect partner for your next creative adventure. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a cautious beginner, we've rounded up the best sewing machines that will have you stitching with style and confidence. Ready, set, sew. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Brother XM2701, our pick for best budget sewing machine. Looking for a sewing machine that won't break the bank or leave you tangled in threads? Enter the Brother XM2701, a true gem that's ready to unleash your inner sewing superstar. With a dazzling 27 stitch options, this little powerhouse is perfect for novice needle wielders and seasoned sewists alike. You'll feel like a crafting wizard whether you're whipping up a simple pillowcase or tackling that trendy dress pattern you've been eyeing. Setting up the XM2701 is so easy, even your cat could do it. The user-friendly manual, complete with handy numbered illustrations, will have you zipping along in no time. And guess what? It actually comes with a treasure trove of accessories, a buttonhole foot, a zipper foot, extra needles, and more. It's like a little sewing party right out of the box. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to tangled threads thanks to the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin. Seriously, you'll be making stitches smoother than your aunt's famous cocktail. Sure, the buttonhole stitch might throw a tiny tantrum now and then, but let's be real. The XM2701 remains a stellar sewing companion. At just 12.6 pounds, it's a lightweight champ, ready to travel wherever inspiration strikes. So why wait? Dive into the delightful world of sewing with the Brother XM2701 and watch your creativity soar, one stitch at a time. Number 4. SINGER 4452 High Speed, our pick for best heavy-duty sewing machine. If you're the kind of sewing enthusiast who relishes the challenge of thick fabrics like denim or canvas, then say hello to your new BAFF, the SINGER Heavy-Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. This machine isn't just a pretty accessory, it's a multitasking marvel boasting 110 stitch options. The drop-in bobbin is easier to handle than unbuttoning those beloved jeans after a satisfying meal. Seriously, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Once you dive in, you'll feel right at home, although winding the bobbin might make you feel like you're auditioning for Cirque du Soleil. But fear not, the dials are so simple, even your pet goldfish could master them. Get ready for some stunning flat, consistent stitches. Even those zigzag ones will make you feel like a pro. Just a friendly warning. The buttonhole stitch can be a bit moody, but every artist loves a worthy challenge, right? And let's not forget the clear bobbin cover, making it easy for you to keep an eye on your thread supply like a hawk. With nifty accessories like a walking foot and size 16 needles, you'll be well prepped for any heavy-duty endeavor. Weighing in at 14.6 pounds and zipping along at an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute, this machine isn't just reliable. It's your trusty sidekick in crafting sewing masterpieces. Still searching for the perfect sewing machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Magicfly Mini, our pick for best sewing machine for kids. Are you ready to unleash your child's inner fashion designer? Meet the ultimate sidekick for little sewers, a featherlight mini sewing machine that weighs just 2.2 pounds. Perfect for tiny hands and big imaginations, this sewing wizard is your child's ticket to a world of creativity. Forget the frustration of complicated machines. This one embraced simplicity like a warm hug. Threading, a breeze. Plus, with a finger guard in place, you can breathe a little easier while your pint-sized seamstress gets busy crafting their latest masterpiece. But wait, there's more! With 2 adjustable speeds, your little one can start slow and steady. Think of it as learning to ride a bike, but without the scraped knees. Whether it's funky crafts or dazzling designs, this machine supports every snip and stitch as they grow in confidence and skill. And it doesn't just stop at the machine. The kit comes with everything they'll need to kick off their sewing journey: colored threads, bobbins, scissors, a measuring tape, a seam ripper, needles, and more. When your child becomes a sewing superstar, consider the thrilling upgrade to a fancy beginner machine. They'll be ready to tackle more advanced projects in no time. So why wait? Give them the tools to express themselves, ignite their creativity, and embark on a lifelong love affair with sewing. The next fashion trends? It might just start with them. Number 2, SINGER Quantum Stylist 9960, our pick for best sewing machine for quilting. If you're a quilting enthusiast, let me introduce you to your new BFF, the SINGER Quantum Stylist 9960 sewing and quilting machine. This beauty combines a spacious workspace with dependable feed dogs that will make your quilting adventures feel like a walk in the park. You might find yourself gasping in delight as you explore the treasure trove of advanced features packed into this machine. With a jaw-dropping 600 stitch options, including decorative and alphanumeric stitches, this machine is practically begging you to unleash your creativity. Say goodbye to those dials you can accidentally nudge. With buttons for every function, you'll stitch like a boss without a surprise plot twist. And let's talk about the extension table. It comes with a ruler, no more running to the store for extras. Plus, those built-in bright LED lights. They'll turn your workspace into a dazzling studio, perfect for threading intricate designs on the free arm. The slow stitch button is there for you too, giving you complete control over those tricky turns. No more sweating bullets during those tight curves. Sure, it's a hefty machine, but this quilting powerhouse is ready to tackle all your creative ideas. Get ready to quilt your heart out. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother CS7000X, our pick for best sewing machine overall. Looking for a sewing machine that feels like your best friend in crafting? Say hello to the Brother CS7000X sewing and quilting machine. With 70 built-in stitches, including utility, heirloom, decorative, and quilting options, this machine is like a Swiss Army knife for your sewing needs, minus the awkwardness of carrying around a blade. Straight stitching? It's smoother than your last awkward date. The tension is spot on, even if you're wrestling with slippery chiffon. And if you've ever battled with buttonholes, prepare to declare victory thanks to the 7 buttonhole stitches that will have you buttoned up and feeling like a sewing superstar in no time. Let's talk features. The easy-peasy drop-in bobbin, an automatic needle threader, and a bobbin winding system that makes getting started a breeze. An LCD screen makes stitch selection as easy as scrolling through your social feed. Just swipe and go. Now, if you're a quilter, the included quilting suite is your newfound best friend. Picture a quilt guide, a spacious quilting table, and specialized feet that make it easier to conquer layers of fabric without making a mountain of chaos. At just 14 pounds, it's lightweight enough to take wherever your creativity leads. And the hard protective case ensures you travel in style. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best sewing machines. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which sewing machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.